Hello, good afternoon everyone. I hope you are well this afternoon. How is everyone doing? How is everyone doing this afternoon? I hope you are well. Sorry about that. I hope you are doing well this afternoon. How have you been? And how is your day going? How is your day going? I hope you are well. Check. Sound okay? Right. Beautiful stuff. Where are you tuning from this afternoon? Hopefully you are having a beautiful afternoon. Welcome to our New York session. There we go, guys. That push of US30 we spoke about is exactly what happened. This is the push that I was anticipating throughout Tuesday and Wednesday, and we saw it brutalizing me there again, here brutalizing me again. So for 2 days I've been looking for this move, only to finally catch it yesterday later again. But there we go. That move went very well. So sometimes you might be right. This is what I'm learning. Since we are here to learn, you might be right, but too early in your right. You might be right and also too aggressive at the same time. So these are things that you want to work on as a trader as well, so that you don't get punished for being right. All right, so I'm still of the opinion that this market is still gonna continue pulling all the way up to that buy TP of the 7th. That is 550, 502. This is exactly what this market wants to do here. But at this point, I would come out right now. Right where the market is sitting, there is a key zone, right? That's a resistance. And if you check very well there, that's it. That's a TP1 hit, exactly, on these buys. And then what I'm going to be looking for now is to see how the opening is going to be like. But literally, we have a signal that we did look into and cancelled it in the morning. And this is our sell direction for the day. We literally never looked for it. For me, I saw it as a false signal. At the same time, delayed market data. So not tradable, one, because it's close to almost our entry. So this kind of data, that's the reason why whenever I say when you see our data less than 100, then it's a no-go area for you. So this is the main reason why I always mention that. And I was literally waiting for the market to come back here and I buy again. Market never looked back. I'm of the opinion that the market might still break out, then push all the way up and never look down again. But at the same time, there is a CV, and we all know, if you are within our community, I've always taught you that the CV is almost the backbone of the market. So this year is the backbone of the market. Market is currently valued at this level. So as it is currently valued at this level, it means this market is to come back there. You understand? This market is to come back there. So what I would do, I'll wait for a closure of this candle. You see, it doesn't have any wick above. Then I will take a sell. My attempt here is to look for the CV. Could be a very beautiful trade today if I take it, but I'm just gonna wait a little bit. I want to see how the market is going to behave around this area. Are we going above it, breaking it, or we're going to come back below it? Then it means we are retesting the CV with serious strength. Other than that, then I'll leave it to go. I'm taking out my buys, then I'll be looking for sells. No fresh traders as of yet, but it's a matter of observing how price react in that zone. Will it push all the way up and never come down, or what? Hope this makes sense. Then we have this guy here, currently on a drawdown, didn't really arrive at our TP. This year, I don't know what this could be called. Is it a false breakout or what? But this year for me is one of the most things that I've always mentioned. Buying from an all-time highs has never been safe for traders. So I saw a breakout here. The market revisited it, took a buy, went back up, then boom, draw down, targeting the CV. We went back to the CV right now. This could be another area of interest where we buy again, looking for TP, right? Might work, might not work. So if we break below 29,366, guys, I'm out. I'm never gonna go back again in this trade. It is just gonna brutalize me hard. You understand? So if I see this thing melting below my current value there, then I'm out. I am not going to stick to this kind of a trade like that. So there it is. I'm currently on a drawdown on gold. I mean on this NASDAQ. Positive on US30, very, very positive since yesterday. And then we have this guy here that we shall see how it goes. Gold, I think buy entry really is refusing. Like, remember, I did say the area of interest is when we close above 47.03, then we can take buys. We didn't close above it. You see that we are still below that area. So that means we can't take it. So the safest area is to wait for 46.56 zone, then we take a buy. So this buy didn't work. We didn't take it. Still sideways, not effective at all. So no entry as of yet. I can only buy if I close above on H1. If I close above my 47.03, then I can look for further continuation. So no trade on gold, buys on NASDAQ right now. And then what else do we have? This thing is, I mean, this thing is not good. We shall see. We shall see how it goes, guys. I'm literally preparing myself for a stop loss here, somewhere here. See that? That's where I will be coming out quickly. Below this previous close, below 29,320, right here. That's where. Let me just stretch it here. That's where I'll be coming out. But I will take another buy there, which is, it's making me to have a tight stop loss ever, because once we break that zone, the next zone is the previous close, which is very, very down deep there. So sellers are being answered their prayers since yesterday. Let's see. Okay, other than that, guys, I have got nothing much to really talk about. Yeah. I think this week I have really saved you very well. If you have been part of this stream, you have been very, very much saved with education. And the music is a bit loud. Okay, sorry about that. Laruna, I want to comment it. Eh? Yeah? What do you mean? Serious? Comment there have loads in. Nah, good afternoon, good afternoon. How are you? I have reduced the music. Please, if you are new, don't forget to like and subscribe to this, our YouTube channel. Very, very important that we support each other. It seems like this YouTube is now monetized. I will make money now. The more I stream, the more money I make. That's what they're saying. I'm now a YouTube partner. They will give me more money, the more subscription, the more views, whatever. So now, beautiful stuff. I mean, from what we heard yesterday, it was 66, almost 10 or 11 people. Eh? So thank you so much, guys, for your subscriptions. Much, much appreciated. 977 so far. 977. That's lovely. 977. Why is it sideways? It's not in the center, this thing. Equal, but it's fine as long as you can see. Thank you so much for your subscriptions, guys. Continue subscribing. Before I buy bot subscribers, I need you real people. I thank you. Thank you. Let's see what this market does. US30 is above our key zone. Might go up further, might go down from that zone. I can't take a sell there for now, but I'll wait and see. All right, 18 seconds to go, is it? Or a child? No, 18 seconds to go. Let's check this guy first. Boom. Welcome to New York. No, guys, what low freeze and dollar. Okay, NASDAQ is still modeling. Sure, beautiful drop, is it? Let me see something. Oh, I see. We can't take it now. 2 minutes after. This could be a missed call, but let's see. Let's see. 132. Damn. Damn. Do you remember what that guy taught there on the seminar? That 1 minute he sells and then he buys. Let's see what it does. If it buys same distance. Oh, will I market? Okay, let's see. On a lower time frame, I'm seeing a short right where the market is sitting there. Right where the market is sitting there. And I'll be targeting the CV. I'm going in on a very small scale, guys. For me, this is a very, very critical zone. Very, very critical zone. Let's see what NASDAQ is doing. Pushing beyond the key zone there. I didn't really take a fresh trade, so I'm still managing the positions that I had. But US30 could drop from where it is sitting all the way down. Let's see. Let's see. Are we seeing profits with view ones, my friend? It is what it is. I love what NASDAQ is doing, but it would be great if it can just continue ripping that TP off, and then we look for sales. All right, let's see. Let me see what this one is. Yes, for me here. Come on, bro. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, bro. Come on. Yes, that's it. Beautiful. Good afternoon. How are you? Are you well? It's been a while, bro. Where have you been? Where have you been, my brother? Right, that's it. That's a good drop there. Is that not a good one? Beautiful stuff. Nice one. Nice one. NASDAQ also doing its job perfectly. Let's see. Come on. Come on, US30. Give me that check. Give me any promo codes for Top Step. I do have, but you must pay me for that. They sent me a $50 discount. $50 off. $50 off. They personally sent it to me. I have it. You must pay me for that. All right. That's a beautiful drop, isn't it, Larona? That's a beautiful drop. NASDAQ, beautifully done. Let's go, bro. Don't reject there. And US30 also, do not reject, my friend. Be a good guy. Just be a good guy. There's no other business you have up there. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Leke. Hey, Mona, what happened? Is our stream down? Sure. Come on. Hey, man, stream is on. Guys, we got chucked. Sure. We were almost down. How is TikTok? Is TikTok okay? Are the people alive on TikTok? Sure. Beautiful stuff. Guys, what happened with our stream? I don't know what happened, but this is a beautiful trade. Beautifully done. Smoothly done. I love what I see. It's green, blue everywhere. Green, blue everywhere. I don't know how you call blue or green on your side. Beautiful stuff. Smoothly done. No kulu. Yeah, this is what we call no kululu, no kalala. What are you talking about? Smoothly done. Shoo! We are big, Baba. We are big. What are you talking about? We are big. Smoothly done. Nicely done. Now, if you lose here, then it's your problem. You understand? These are your village people telling you not to take profit. Beautiful stuff. US30, NASDAQ. Let's see what NASDAQ has for us. NASDAQ beautifully doing its job there. I love what I see. I love what I see. I love what I see. Let me take partials a little bit. And then let's see. Let's see. Right. Beautiful stuff. So US30, I took some here. Took some profit somewhere here. I'm still holding a few positions again. And then let's see what NASDAQ has for us. Beautiful stuff. I love it. I wanna history hako ibe blue fan. The whole day. Well, NASDAQ, I'm not happy with the way it's pushing, right? But there we go. So US30 beautifully done. And then NASDAQ pushing slowly. I don't like the pressure of NASDAQ, but what can we say? This is our job. Our job is to watch these markets playing out. So I love what I'm seeing. I think I'm gonna end my week very well. It's been rough for 2 days. It's Tuesday and Wednesday, bro. This thing. Hey, I feel like I'm gonna retire. I'm fun. You feel like retiring. What's wrong? Do we need to look for another mathematics? Oh, human error has always been there in trading. Strategy could be good as it is, but human error, bro, you always find human error. We'll always find it in trading. And human error can literally cost you your entire fortune, you know? That's life for you. Human error. Now you should always have a sober mind all the time. Sober mind all the time. Yes, chat billings, how are you? W's, I'm waiting for my W t-shirt from you, my friend. I'm waiting for my W t-shirt from you. I'm waiting for it. NASDAQ, bro. Why are you doing what you're doing? Crazy NASDAQ. Thank you for those W's, guys. I appreciate. I don't know what happened. The screen just got blank, but it is what it is. Let's iringeli tobetse nyana ka music nyana ho. Anka le tobetsa nyana. Ke re chacha. Ke le utlwise. I'm back again. Yes, guys, I'm back. I'm back. You want to know how we calculate those buy TPs? You want to visit our website, www.bonangfinance.co.za, and apply yourself that membership, which is lifetime support from our side. You enjoy yourself every day, right? I don't have a discount, unfortunately. There's no discount for now. The only thing we have is access to quality. Understand? Discount. We've been doing discount for you guys. Really blow out too much. Yes. Watch. Which playlist is this one now? Smoothness, my friend. Check zone track keys, music out, more background music. Away Bonanga. Check out. Okay, I will do that. Hello Bonang, why can't you explain to me why nice TP is not 29,580? I don't understand. I don't understand. Are you part of the mentorship? Our calculations are accurate, I think, isn't it? That's our calculation for the day. Maybe you are using wrong data to calculate. Are you not using the wrong data, my friend? 580. Was it 580 somewhere more? Ne? Why is that your TP? If you're not part of us, then you must join us so that you know why we are taking profit there. If you are taking profit here, it's fine. Enjoy yourself. No stress. Why is your TP there? SC. Why? Why is your TP here? Why? Tell me why. Let's see what US30 is doing. Still expected to reach the CV here first. So we'll see. Man, you can't be doing what you're doing there. It's distraction what you're doing here. Repeat banking. This is the website you need to visit, guys. There are prop firms that we are partnering with. Only one for now. Services, we have calculated money moves, which is a book, then the lifetime mentorship. Click there. Read about this mentorship. You understand? Read the reasons why you should join us. Understand? When you click join now, like this, it will lead you straight to the chart. That's me there. See, very good gentleman. A man of God, this one. I'm telling you. And then, boom. There's this picture that I love the most. You see this one? Financial markets watching you trade, not knowing the mathematics. This is how you end. You end up brutalized like this animal. Okay, look at that. You will be brutalized like that. And that's our price. Once off, guys. I think actually we have to increase this price times 2. 30 now. The value I give this community is too much, bro. I can't always be on Zoom there for this price only. They play. So that's it, guys. That's our mentorship there. It's not a monthly one. It's forever. You pay this one, we are in forever, bro. We are in business. We mean business. Business of you getting those payouts. We have a WhatsApp that you can literally contact. 64 plus 2764 0457 because of a new partnership that I engaged with, this thing is going to turn into a college almost. So these numbers might move, and then we literally use the office administration contacts. Very soon there will be changes there. So the quicker you hurry, the better. Right, beautiful stuff. Give me those W's, my friend. What are you talking about? Is this not a W? Is this not a W? What are you talking about? Shoo. Bro, that's a good pump, bro. Imagine how it's a farm. Sure. Jesus Christ is Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Right, beautiful stuff, guys. Beautiful stuff. Then this one is also dropping. It should come to the CV first before rally. At least this broken structure here. You see that one? Then we can look for the market pushing further up. Other than that, that's a beautiful trade there on US30. Beautiful trade there on NASDAQ. Beautiful stuff. Well-deserved W's. Guys, we pushed streams every day, Monday to Friday. I think this one here now, it should be a risk-free trade. People should break even. You get my point? That's a clean trade, smoothness all the way, full TP incoming, and you know what I mean. No kululu, no color. All right, that's beautiful there. I can literally open my TP Lux. What do you think? Let's look at it this way. If we open a TP here, we might literally be going there. So only 29,906. That's our TP. So I can literally stretch this thing. Let me modify my order. If it goes beyond that level, that's a new all-time high there. And anyway, this is not a guarantee, but it is what it is. That would be a very beautiful trade. Is it 906, ne? All right, so that's me opening 2 positions only, not more. 2 positions are above this area. Other than that, others are being properly managed. Let's still doing that. Let's see. Beautiful stuff. Looking for buys. Looking for buys when tap the CV. You mean on US30? My friend, when US30 comes to the CV, you must not buy. Sure, this thing will rip you. Do you? Hey. Bro, if this thing comes to the CV, I am not buying. Yo, Jesus Christ. What do I want to do? Do you see what I see, Laron? Do you know that this thing, if it comes back inside here, it is telling you that we are not going back up again. So you can't buy there, my friend. You can only buy above this area. Coming back inside here, buys are deactivated. We are going down. So you must literally pray that if you are looking for buys, you must literally pray that CV doesn't touch. Oh, you can't. This thing. Oh, Jesus. You feel like you are cursed. Remember, let me show you something, Mr. What's your name? Harrison. I don't know if my screen is clear. I think I have been writing a lot of stuff on the screen here these days. But let me maybe switch off this. I'll just mark where my CV is. You see, my CV is here. And then I'll just switch off this indicator a little bit so that you guys can see what I'm seeing. Right. Harrison, do you see that this push was a breakout? Just mark this area here. That was a breakout on its own. And that alone specifically deactivated the sell direction. That means we are not going back down, right? Coming back to the CV, it means we are breaking back inside what was broken. You see, it broke out. Oh, Jesus Christ, what am I doing? Taking chances. It broke out, right? Pushed with serious strength. Then if you see pressure of coming back in here, it means we are inside the range that was already broken. What does that tell you? It tells you that the next stop should be our key zone, which is the low of the day, down here. And that probability of breaking that low and further downward. You see that? And further downward. So this market should not break that level and come down here. If it does, then buyers are out. So we can't buy. So in whatever you are does, know that English. You know whatever you are does. So I don't know if, yeah, but it should be clear. So coming back to the CV, it means the sell direction is valid and strong. And you can see it's still melting anyway. I want. Ring big mic. US30 is going to the CV, my friend. It can't push up like that. It pushed up most. You can see it loads already. Now my conditions are not the same in every day. So if I teach you today and then I leave you there, I'm not being fair to you. So here we take you through. When you see this kind of condition, you take your notes. We continue going until you have seen all kinds of markets. So today it's a no trading day, basically based on the small data, but the direction is bearish. Very, very bearish. Now think about it, Harrison. If you took a sell here in the morning, right now you could be bleeding, right? So we did very well by staying out. At least now we took that sell, attempting to look for the CV. If we tap the CV, then we can't buy again, because that buy pressure that we could be looking for has already played out. So it's done with the business of upside. What is he saying? That is gonna go up. Now it can go up as long as it is where it is, but down here it can't. No, it can't, bro. It can't. It's breaking inside the range, and the only stop is this one. It can't. We should bet. Am I allowed to bet? My faith doesn't allow me. I don't do bets, unfortunately, my brother. So, tumelo highly. Okay, let's see what NASDAQ is doing. NASDAQ is declining from this area here. This is where that guy took his TP here. Where is he? SC. You took your TP somewhere here. 5.8 something here. Somewhere here. That's where he took his TP. But he just didn't want to tell us why. You want me to upgrade my thing. But I'm still holding my trades. I'm targeting that area there. Okay. 5 minutes to 4. Let's see what 4 o'clock is for us. Is it 4? Okay. So this US30 still could go up only if it is staying where it is staying. This one, we have played the house now. Let's go back to our reading. Welcome, my brother. We'll see you when you see us. We'll see you when you see us. We are left with 3 minutes also. We'll be out. 3 minutes from now, we'll be done for the day. Right, enjoy the stream. Enjoy yourself as well. I'm thinking that this thing is still gonna push up. Let me stretch this other position. What percentage profit do you target? Do you have a limit to how much profit you want? Life is still consuming. My life is like an ocean. Know an ocean? You keep pouring. 20 liters is not enough. So I cannot have a target in terms of profits. I still need more. What do you think, Laru? I still need more. If the market wants to give me 10% today, allow me to collect. Remember, market condition differs. So you cannot have an exact target on daily basis. Sometimes the market cannot even give you what you targeted. So you don't want to be under pressure of saying, why are we not arriving at my target today? I can only stop when I get my target. Then market says, no, bro, we are pausing here today. Enough is enough. Then what have you done for yourself? Nothing. So you don't want unnecessary pressure at all, at all. You don't want that. You want to take what the market wants to give you. If the market doesn't want to give you more, come out. If the market wants to give you small, come out as well. So that's almost our break even there, but we didn't tap it. Let's see what it does. Let's see. So you need to react to the market as per market conditions on daily basis. The market has got different conditions every day. You see that? Okay, yes, that's a break-even hit there. That's where we were literally breaking even there. Right. Didn't reach my full TP as well, but I'm out, guys. I came out there, but I'm looking for a second entry again. I'll be taking another buy. Let me see. Let me see. Give it to 1 minute. USD. Gonna go without me. It's fine. A few minutes. We're literally at a 0 minute, guys. Now 1 minute after. Right. Let's check US30. US30 is still going straight to CV. Our target on these cells is 49,697. 49,697. That's my target there. And then we have a sell TP actually initially for today, which is 49,629. So either way, that's where this thing is going. So that's it for me. And then NASDAQ buys are still very much valid, pushing up with strength, targeting that zone. Look at that, it's gone. So that's our first TP, which is 29,699. Those who didn't have a break even, like me on the other positions. And then I took partial 50, and then I kept on holding others. And then I'm targeting this area of interest there, 29,669.09 as a new all-time high price. And then if we break that zone going beyond it, then the next stop is going to be 29,906. That's what I can say. Going to gold this afternoon, just to close and wrap up everything here. Gold is almost activated my buys, but not yet. Almost. I almost got tapped in. Look at that. Almost, but I didn't. So I cannot enter again. Still no go area. Until we tap that zone, that's when I can enter the buys. Other than that, there's nothing from me anymore. Holding sales on US30, partial, 50-50. That's what I'm doing right now. Other than that, guys, have yourself a beautiful evening ahead. Yeah, I'm still holding as well. I have buys that I'm holding, still holding them. They're still in here without any stress. Other than that, thank you so much for having me here. Those that are on TikTok, we'll meet tomorrow exactly 8:45 in the AM. Allow me to leave you with the word of the day. Okay, that's my proof of payment there with Top Step. I'm busy killing these guys. Yo, look at that. Okay, allow me to leave you with the word of the day today. All right, thank you guys. See you when you see me tomorrow. Don't forget to pray. Always be in the presence of the Lord. Hear me? All right. Bye-bye. Today we are reading chapter 3 of the Calculated Money Moves book, written by me as the author. Those that have been wondering how to get this book, you can literally visit www.bonangfinance.co.za and purchase yourself a soft copy there. There are currently no hard copies. We only have soft copies. Thank you. I'm going to read chapter 33. Last time I did read 32 for you. Chapter 33, I'm going to read in page 209. Discern your money environment. That's the title. Discern your money environment. Where your money moves is also determined by your environment. Okay, literally this book is designed to show you where the money is, and you want to calculate the money moves, how the money moves and where the money moves. So basically the book itself is then explaining deeper to say where your money moves is also determined by your environment. In the wrong environment, even your grace looks useless. In the right one, everything multiplies easily. That's why some of you must leave certain friends, cities, or even countries. Not because you hate your background, but because your money doesn't move there. Look at me. I was once in the bush hunting, fishing, and mining. None of that worked because my money wasn't there. But when I entered the financial markets, it was like heaven opened. You must find where your money recognizes you. That's not a small statement. You must find where your money recognizes you. You know, there are things that when you do them, no matter how hard you do them, success doesn't come easy. Money doesn't come. No matter how perfect you do things, money doesn't come. But because you understand that you need to be where money recognizes you. There are people who have it easy. Money comes easy to them because the money recognizes them. This is what you want to study. This is what you want to study. This is what you want to understand. Where does your money move? Where is your money? Does your money recognize you? Are you chasing the money or the money is chasing you? So calculated money moves literally puts you in a position of studying even your own environment, your own friends. Like I said, I became so much worried as to why do I always attract broke friends. This became a concern to say, it means I am like them. So that means I have to change. Do you get my point? Why is my friend broke? Should be a concern. Because if we say my friend is broke, it means you are also broke. To them, they're also saying my friend is broke. So you see that the cycle there is of broke people. So if it does not worry you that you are surrounded by broke people, that alone can be an attack in life. Why should you be surrounded by broke people? Or why should you surround people? Because you yourself is broke. Do you get my point? Why should you be the one surrounding people when you have got nothing tangible in life? You must find where your money recognizes you. Signs you are out of your money flow. You are always frustrated no matter how hard you work. Number 2, you are surrounded by busy people but no results. Number 3, you keep trying new ventures, they die quietly. Number 4, you feel peace only when you imagine doing something else. Number 5, you are talented but nobody buys into it. If this describes you, stop fighting. You are out of your flow. Shift, recalculate, realign. Because God's prosperity formula is not about hard work alone. It's about working in the right direction. You see, that's how God operates. He doesn't say work hard. He says work where you are needed. The right direction. That's the formula of success. There's a popular saying that says so. If hard work pays, an animal like a donkey could have been the wealthiest animal on earth or the most expensive animal on earth. Let me put it that way. But it's not. So sometimes hard work does not pay, but smart work pays. Check around your environment. Does the money recognize you? Also, you must be concerned. You cannot always be surrounded by people who are encouraging you to say, be patient, things will be okay. When? Happy New Month.